I'm so excited to share with you today about how to upselling, especially with how to recommendation with the customer about hair care products. It is so important about the way you say, and a lot of hairdressers struggling. They can't not say and they are not confident with that. So let me break it down all about for you why they are not confident with that. The first of all, let's say they are not confident. Like to me, it's have a few things. Why they not confident? The first thing, they have no knowledge. They have no knowledge about that product. Next one, they don't never use the products on their hair. Then one more is they don't love the hair care products. They don't know why have to use those hair care products. So that's why the hairdresser are struggling, because to me that 4 points important why they cannot recommend for a client.